Theta token essentially is a low-position digital money presently evaluated at $0.588116 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $588,116,228, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Over the kind of past really couple of years, cryptographic forms of money, including Theta token, laid out areas of strength for and in the worldwide monetary world and are presently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, products, and unfamiliar monetary forms, forex truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. A few institutional financial backers even in a real sense consider crypto as a productive supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy. Retail financial backers and dealers are keen on digital currencies, for example Theta, since this generally is seemingly the most open monetary market, where various resources really have the sort of potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a moderately brief time frame in a significant way. These profits in every way that really matters are unreachable in essentially different business sectors, which sort of is the motivation behind why most in every practical sense moderate financial backers fundamentally are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with cryptographic forms of money like Theta token, while the groundbreaking ones commit a huge part of their truly cash flow to this quickly creating resource class in an unobtrusive manner. At this kind of specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members brought the cost of Theta especially token to the level at $0.588116 where it presently sits, as opposed to prevalent thinking. As currently referenced, Theta basically is a low-position cryptographic money, since it as of now possesses the 54th spot in worldwide digital currency rankings, the metric that sort not entirely settled by duplicating the ongoing cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource in a by and large significant manner. On account of Theta token, the market capitalization essentially remains at $588,116,228. The significance of this boundary will be in a real sense made sense of later in an all things considered huge way. Our cost expectation calculation truly is planned in genuinely such a manner that it ceaselessly screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to sort of give our endorsers the most reliable data on the genuinely present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to satisfactorily in every practical sense evaluate the condition of their portfolio, and basically conclude whether it generally needs to be reconfigured, which in a real sense is very critical. Our calculation likewise gives sort of unique consideration to verifiable information, which in every practical sense is somewhat key for the right assessment of both current and expected market structure and the evaluation of its sort of present and future course, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Underneath you will truly find exceptionally key extracts of this authentic information with the goal that you also could have a comprehension of where the Theta essentially token market really is going, or so they especially thought. Recently, on September 12, Theta for the most part was esteemed at $0.585394. At the turn of the two exchanging meetings, for the most part recollect that digital currencies sort of are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m., fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. The cost change, rate-wise, over the expressed period in every way that really matters, added up to 1.54% in an unpretentious manner. 7 days prior, on September 6, Theta exceptionally token in a real sense was exchanged at $0.627998 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that generally near its by and large present position, which fundamentally is very huge. On August 13, which in a real sense was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged Theta at $0.736154, the cost level that really is at the distance of 20.11% from where it at present stands, which is very critical. The cost of Theta and the readings of CVIX explicitly are not by any means the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost forecasts. Market capitalization most certainly is another significant truly metric that explicitly assists traders with truly deciding the prominence of the digital currency being referred to, as well as its future possibilities in a really significant manner. It's likewise used to truly evaluate the offer that Theta extremely token most certainly holds inside the whole cryptographic money market. by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. The recipe for the computation of market capitalization in every way that really matters is somewhat straightforward. The circling supply of the cash being referred to generally is duplicated by its ongoing cost in a for the most part large manner. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of Theta explicitly remains at $588,116,228. Enough to name it the 54th sort of the biggest coin on the digital currency market in an unobtrusive manner. Recently, on September 12, the market capitalization of Theta token generally remained at $585,393,555. 7 days prior, on September 6, the capitalization of Theta was $627,998,222. A month prior, on August 13, how much capital streaming around this specific market added up to $736,153,800, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Most digital money financial backers truly stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with and in every practical sense, certain cryptographic money and its capacity to basically endure disturbances, which by and large are the truly normal event on this exceptionally unstable market. It's all things considered clear that the truly previously mentioned market capitalization of Theta sort of token permits to basically order it as the little cap cryptographic money that has a place in the generally safe gathering in an especially significant manner, since we truly have proactively referenced the equation for computing the market capitalization. It would be somewhat suitable to give a part of this report to the stockpile of Theta in every way that really matters, in opposition to mainstream thinking fundamentally. For your data, there sort of are three kinds of supply for basically every cryptographic money. The exceptionally greatest stock, which basically implies the quantity of coins that would be created on a kind of specific blockchain all through its presence. The all-out supply, which alludes to the quantity of coins previously delivered, starting from the commencement of the undertaking. The coursing supply, which clearly alludes to the quantity of coins available for use, in genuinely different words, that especially are effectively exchanged on trade stages. The very greatest stockpile of Theta token explicitly is 100,000,000 Theta. The in every practical sense, all-out supply of Theta at present really remains at 100,000,000 coins. The coursing supply of the digital currency under survey in every practical sense is 100,000,000 Theta, or so they in a real sense thought. This Theta token cost expectation wouldn't be genuinely finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it's the essentially metric utilized by practically all digital currency merchants to affirm the strength of the pattern and the reasonability of a market move. For example, assuming that the breakout to the potential gain especially is happening on the rear of the especially low exchanging volume, there in a real sense is a kind of high likelihood that this move is unreasonable and would bring about a bullish snare in an in every practical sense huge way. Hence, it is critical to truly dissect the past and the genuine